If creating thumbnails for your brand videos is taking you way too long, give this a watch. So you want to go to an app called Placid, and this essentially allows you to set up templates that you just input text into, and it will create the thumbnail or whatever you want it to create on brand every time. So I've been testing this out for about 3 weeks now, and it's been working really, really well. But I've ran into the perfect problem to workshop why it's important to get the thumbnail right. So if you look over on my Instagram, I've been using this. So I've built out an automated system that basically produces these thumbnails automatically without any input from me. And you can see here, this is the thumbnail that I've got for my reel videos, so the vertical videos. But I don't like how these are sitting at the moment in my feed. So what I'll do is I'll go in here to edit. And what I'm seeing here now is just jumping up here. See, it's just a bit too high. I want to sort of bring everything down just a smidge. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit, making sure it's aligned, and I'll bring the headshot down a little bit. Let me just check here. Yeah, so we'll just leave it about there and save that. Done. So what this will do now is basically log this vertical purple as the new format with everything brought down a little bit. So when I put things into the A1 Content Propeller, it will automatically create it to this new updated version. Now, the other problem I'm seeing is I sometimes do YouTube videos, and again, in the A1 Content Propeller, I have it set up in a way that it will distribute to all 5 of the major video platforms. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. But obviously YouTube videos, different dimensions altogether to your standard vertical videos. So you see here, because I have a YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720, it means it's not pulling through nicely on the feed. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to go in and edit. But what I would say about Placid, it is a bit limited in terms of its design, like in platform design capabilities. So what I've done is I've went into Canva and designed this image background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and set a new image. So add a picture layer, grab the file. Now I've already made this in my image inbox. So I'm going to switch up the color a little bit. I'm going to make it black and blue, which is my other brand colors. Make sure I fill up this canvas. Looks about right there. I can bring this picture layer down. See the text layer comes on top. So this your text layer, this is a dynamic field. So I have ChatGPT built into my A1 Content Propeller to provide thumbnail related copy. Now, because this was originally over here, you see it's getting cut off there. What I'm going to do is center this now so that it's right in the middle. And this, when it's next generated, should sit nicely, not only in a YouTube feed, but it should sit nicely in my Instagram feed as well. So you can check back when I produce this very video with this new format. If you like anything like this to do with technology to help speed up video production, make sure you give me a follow and catch you on the flip side. Cheers.